Run! Run!
No! Okay, no laughing and Evan, shut up.
They laugh.
How do you know it was that one?
Action!
Nice! Evan, I was supposed to pick it up on you first. Remember how I was gonna go? Hey, let's go look for some food. Okay. Dude. It must have been here. No. Bowser's gun! Holy shit. Let's take it back.
Action.
So, let's go look for some food. Okay. Dude. Whoa. Oh my god. It's a gun. Yeah. Okay.
You have to go zoom in this shit.
Oh. Oh wow.
Holy shit, we can't do this shit now.
That would have been perfect!
No.
Action.
I have to test myself too, because I may be killed too.
Oh my god, you idiot.
I have to test myself too. I might be the killer. Okay. Can't forget my rusty, dusty thing. Seems like we'll have to run some tests because I'm a little gassy, but
I don't have a gun anymore.
I know. We might have to run some. We might have to.
Action.
I think we may have to raise. Seems like we may have to run some tests because we want to be the killer. And seems like we may have to run some plays. Can anyone rescue me?
Action.
Seems like we may have to run some good tests. Put your hands in. And seems like we have to run some tests because any one of us could be the killer. Don't look at me. Seems like we have to. Seems may like we.
Action.
Seems maybe we might have to run some tests because any one of us could be the killer. Okay. You're a queen. I need to test myself. I could be the killer too. Oh no. Evan, what are you doing? What? I'm going home, guys. I'm too cold.
You gotta wait then.
I have to test myself too, because I might be the